Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into the GreenLife Essentials 10-piece cookware set in this delightful light pink color. If you're in the market for a new set of pots and pans that prioritize health, ease of use, and a touch of style, then stick around. This set promises a lot, from its healthy ceramic non-stick coating to its eco-friendly construction. Let's unpack all of that and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, the centerpiece of this set is the healthy ceramic non-stick coating. GreenLife emphasizes that this coating is derived from sand, and what that means for you is an incredibly easy release of food. We're talking about eggs sliding right off the pan, delicate fish fillets lifting without tearing, and no frustrating scraping. This coating is also touted as being toxin-free, a major selling point for many home cooks. It's completely free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. For those concerned about the chemicals in their cookware, this is a significant advantage. It's a more natural approach to non-stick cooking, aiming to make every meal healthier. Beyond the non-stick itself, the construction of these pots and pans is designed with the user in mind. You'll find stay-cool handles, which are so important. No more fumbling for oven mitts just to adjust a pan on the stovetop. These soft grip handles are ergonomically designed for comfort and to keep your hands safe from heat. Another key feature is the wobble-free bases. This might sound minor, but a sturdy base contributes to even heating across the entire cooking surface. It also adds to the overall durability of the cookware, ensuring it sits stable on your stove. The design also focuses on snag-free interiors. This means no rivets inside the pots and pans where food can get trapped and become incredibly difficult to clean. Everything is smooth, which, combined with the non-stick surface, makes for remarkably simple cleanup. And speaking of cleaning, this set is dishwasher safe. While most messes wipe away with just a bit of soap and water, having the dishwasher option is a huge convenience for those busy days. GreenLife also highlights that this cookware is expert designed, aiming to meet the demands of both home cooks and professional chefs. While we might not be Michelin-starred chefs in our own kitchens, it's reassuring to know the cookware is built for performance. Furthermore, the commitment to sustainability is evident. The cookware vessels, excluding the handles, are made from a minimum of 65% recycled materials. This is a fantastic touch for anyone looking to make more environmentally conscious purchasing decisions. Now, let's talk about what you actually get in this 10-piece set. You typically receive a variety of pots and pans to cover most everyday cooking needs. This usually includes frying pans of different sizes, saucepans with lids, and perhaps a stock pot or sauté pan, allowing for versatility in your culinary endeavors, from quick breakfasts to hearty stews. The description also mentions durable glass lids, which are great for monitoring your food without lifting the lid and losing heat and moisture. They are oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which gives you some flexibility for finishing dishes in the oven. However, it's important to note that this set is for all stovetops except induction. This is a crucial detail for anyone with an induction cooktop. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the healthy ceramic non-stick is a major draw, offering a truly effortless cooking and cleaning experience without harmful chemicals. The stay-cool handles and wobble-free bases contribute to safety and even heating. The snag-free interiors and dishwasher-safe nature make cleanup incredibly convenient. The use of recycled materials is a significant environmental benefit, and the light pink color adds a cheerful aesthetic to the kitchen. On the downside, the most significant limitation is its incompatibility with induction cooktops. If you have an induction stove, this set won't work for you. While the ceramic non-stick is generally durable, like all non-stick surfaces, it can be scratched if not cared for properly. Metal utensils should be avoided, and abrasive cleaning should be minimized to preserve its longevity. Also, the oven-safe temperature is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is adequate for many tasks but might be limiting for recipes requiring higher oven temperatures. In conclusion, the GreenLife Essentials 10-piece cookware set offers a compelling package for home cooks seeking a healthier, easier to use, and more sustainable kitchen. The combination of toxin-free non-stick, thoughtful design features, and eco-friendly materials makes it a strong contender. Just be sure to check if your stovetop is compatible before making the purchase. Link in the description.